To embed a YouTube video on a Wix website, start by logging into your Wix account and accessing the editor for the website where you want to add the video. Click on the Add icon on the top bar and select More from the drop-down menu. In the search bar, type Video and select the YouTube video option. This will open a settings panel where you can enter the YouTube video URL or ID. Copy the URL of the YouTube video you want to embed and paste it into the settings panel. Alternatively, you can also use the video ID, which is the part of the URL that comes after versus equals. For example, if the URL is https://www.youtube.com/watch v equals video ID, then the video ID is video ID. Once you have entered the URL or ID, click the Apply button. The video will be added to your website, and you can resize it by dragging the corners. You can also customize the video settings, such as autoplay, loop, and controls, by clicking on the settings icon on the video. To customize the video further, click on the settings icon and select the Layout and Design tab. Here, you can change the video's width, height, and alignment. You can also add a title, description, or link to the video. When you are done customizing the video, click on the Publish button to make the changes live on your website. This is how you can easily embed a YouTube video on a Wix website. The process is straightforward, and with these steps, you can enhance your website with engaging video content. Remember to always use high-quality videos that are relevant to your content and audience, and to optimize your videos for mobile devices to ensure a smooth user experience. By following these steps and best practices, you can create a more engaging and interactive website that attracts and retains visitors.